Hi everyone, this is Cheryl-Ann. Once again, today I'm showing you how to get unready with me. So today I'm using the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm and spread that all over my face. Just ignore my idiot dance moves. I am a weird personality to look at. I'm sorry for this. So once you have rubbed this all in, you will look like a gigantic monster, which makeup is melted off. So then we're going to remove it with some cotton pads and some micellar water from Garnier. I like micellar water a lot. I believe that it's like usual water but with benefits, and I usually use 2 cotton pads because I wear way too much makeup, and also the product that you have applied earlier goes on the cotton pad too, so then you avoid that you have leftovers on your skin. But it doesn't really matter if you have leftovers on your skin because we're going to remove it anyways in the shower. I do like washing my face in the shower because you're gonna wet everything anyways, and I'm using the Origins Ginzing Exfoliator. So here I am again, fresh from the shower. So now we're going to take care of our skin a little bit more. I'm using the Origins Overnight Mask Drink Up Intensive. It smells really good and it's a really thick cream. I like to massage it into my skin excessively also, because I believe that this mask makes sure that your skin is less dry, and it really works for me. We should also not forget our lippies. I'm using the Mango Lip Butter by The Body Shop. I always do this after I have worn a lot of lipstick because I think it's dry after that. So now I am ready for bed, so I'm going to bed right now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.